Did the Oscars get it right? Who won versus who should have won? In the perfect world of an Academy Awards ceremony based on merit alone, here's who a film critic thinks should have taken home the accolades in key categories in 2019. Best Picture nominees: Black Panther, BlacKkKlansman, Bohemian Rhapsody, The Favorite, Green Book, Roma, A Star is Born, Vice. Which film won? Green Book. Peter Farrelly's comfortably pat race relations tale is the kind of easy palatable film that the Academy often tends to choose in years when other contenders prove a little too challenging. It was a safe choice. Which film should have won? The Favorite. Yorgos Lanthimos' beautifully directed period tale is darkly humorous and features a trio of powerful female performances. It was the sharpest, wittiest and most interesting of this year's nominees. Best Actor nominees: Christian Bale for Vice, Bradley Cooper for A Star is Born, Willem Dafoe for At Eternity's Gate, Rami Malek for Bohemian Rhapsody, Viggo Mortensen for Green Book. Who won? Rami Malek. The actor's performance as Freddie Mercury has seen him scoop several awards this season, including his first Oscar. The young actor's transformation into the Queen frontman has wowed critics and fans alike, and Bohemian Rhapsody continues to storm the box office. Who should have won? Christian Bale. Vice may have sharply divided critics with its black humor and off-the-wall approach to the story of the life and times of Dick Cheney, but everyone agrees that the method actor's almost unrecognizable transformation for the role is an exceptional feat. Best Actress nominees: Yalitza Aparicio for Roma, Glenn Close for The Wife, Olivia Colman for The Favorite, Lady Gaga for A Star is Born, Melissa McCarthy for Can You Ever Forgive Me? Olivia Colman was a worthy winner. The Brit deserves her Oscar for her brilliant, empathetic and darkly funny portrayal of the baby-like manipulative Queen Anne. Best Supporting Actor nominees: Mahershala Ali for Green Book, Adam Driver for BlacKkKlansman, Sam Elliott for A Star is Born, Richard E. Grant for Can You Ever Forgive Me? Sam Rockwell for Vice. Mahershala Ali was a worthy winner. Ali's performance as the conflicted, brilliant and determined popular pianist Don Shirley has seen him sweep most of the awards this season. It won him a well-deserved second Oscar following his win in the same category for Moonlight in 2017. Best Supporting Actress nominees: Amy Adams for Vice, Marina de Tavira for Roma, Regina King for If Beale Street Could Talk, Emma Stone for The Favorite, Rachel Weisz for The Favorite. Who won? Regina King. This was King's first nomination, and while she didn't earn a nod from the Screen Actors Guild for her fiery performance in Barry Jenkins' If Beale Street Could Talk, she's scooped every other award out there. Who should have won? Emma Stone. Stone gives a career best performance as a seemingly charming, ruthlessly ambitious social climber in a film filled with excellent performances from its three leads. Best Director nominees: Spike Lee for BlacKkKlansman, Paul Polakowski for Cold War, Yorgos Lanthimos for The Favorite, Alfonso Cuarón for Roma, Adam McKay for Vice. Who won? Alfonso Cuarón. Cuarón's Roma has been cleaning up, and the film is certainly a beautiful and carefully executed piece of work, shot by Cuarón himself in gorgeous black and white and delicately telling its empathetic and often heartbreaking personal tale. Who should have won? Spike Lee. America's angriest and most in-your-face director has won a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Academy and been nominated for writing and documentary previously. However, in his 40-year career he's never earned a directing nod, and this should have been his year to win for a film that's hard-hitting and speaks about uncomfortable issues that need addressing and recognition in the age of the rise of the alt-right. This article is adapted from one originally published in the Sunday Times Lifestyle magazine.
Yeah.